guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Javier and this is Fast TV. So guys, today we're over at Warehouse of Speed over in Pensacola for a little behind the scenes look at some of the cars and some of the things that are going to be going on for the LA Toretto story that's coming out. So they're putting a pilot together. I'm going to put a description on, or I'm going to put a link in the description down below so you guys could go ahead and follow all the information of what's to come. But yeah, guys, we're going to go inside, take a look at some of the cars that they're building currently, and some of the people that showed up to this invite-only event for Warehouse of Speed and the pilot for the Toretto story. R32. JT. Alright. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. That looks good. Yeah. There we go. Jay. What's up, brother? How you doing? It's alive. I'll check this out real quick. Yeah.
I would hella wear that everywhere.
Oh yeah. So we're about to head out here in a minute. What up? How you doing?
Good. Tired, man.
Hey, we're all running around.
Okay, yeah.
What's going on, buddy?
What's up?
How you doing?
You doing alright?
Yes, sir.
Good seeing you.
How's it going?
You're doing well.
This is my daughter, Ari.
Hi, Ari. Nice to meet you, Blake.
Or Letty.
How's it going, guys?
Good, pretty good.
Man.
I'm getting there.
It's been a while.
I know.
A little over a year.
Right out of here.
June, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now you're here.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
Oh
You
yeah.
doing well?
Yeah, not too
Got a
bad.
lot of events and stuff?
Too many events.
Too many?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to really GTR Fest this year. Going back again.
What
It's gonna
day
be
is
fire.
that?
That's going to be November 14th, the weekend of the 14th.
Okay.
So it's like the 13th through the 17th, I believe.
Texas?
So, Texas, yeah, Ennis. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Where do you want to port for the
I got to head back to the house now.
Yeah, that's
I came early. I didn't
still
realize
filming,
you guys.
so I appreciate it, man.
Oh, no worries. Yeah, I brought the Jeep, but I was like, figure I'd bring something old. Oh, it's cool. No problem. Take care. We'll get together.
Wheels, and then we have some Strauss wheels too. The Strauss wheels is not great. Yep.
Yes, sir. Thank you for having me. I'll get up with you.
I'm gonna get one of those soon.
Dude,
I
it's,
got mics now.
no, yeah, mine came with a mic too. I just don't, the audio on this, even by itself, it's great.
Yeah, I want one of those so I can start doing,
Basic stuff.
basic, myself.
Yeah.
Because my camera guy isn't always available, so
Well, that's what's cool. You put it on selfie mode. And there it is. Right there.
works pretty good.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're about done for today. We're gonna go ahead and head on out. I'm a little tired. I had too much running, walking around. But anyway, it was really cool. Got to meet some more friends, make some new friends, and I also got to have my stepdaughter here with me, Ari. She came with me today, so you probably saw her in and out of the film. So she got to see some of the cars. Let me ask you, what did you think about some of the cars that came out here today?
I think they were spectacular.
So, all right, guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you liked the video. It is what it is, short, sweet, to the point. And on that, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.